Oh, what is up, guys? It is Doge, and today we're trying out the new buff that the burst assault rifle has gotten. I think it low-key looks like I tried it out before in a match. It was actually really good. So the loadout we'll be doing is the burst rifle, deagle, pistol, and grenade. And I think it should be pretty good. And I'll just go right into it. Now, actually, hold on. Before this video starts, I really want to get Director of War, so if you can help me out, please maybe subscribe so we can probably get there more quickly, and maybe next month, maybe, could be. But anyway, I'm sorry for wasting so much time. I'm wasting a lot of time. I'm sorry. Let's go. We're in the first match, guys. Let's run it. Okay, bro. Okay. That's whatever. That's who got. Can my teammate lock in? He's literally right here. There we go. Not doing any collabs. I say it's pretty good. I don't know why this guy's talking to me. Damn, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. He's over here. Oh damn, yeah. Yeah, this is really good, this burst rifle. This is really good. I love this gun now. I might actually main this. This is really good.
Round starting.
Damn. Wait. Dead. So low-key. I kinda like this. Why is this actually good? This is really good. What the frick? I've never seen. I don't even. Yeah, the buff is actually insane. Oh my god, this is better SMG. This one. Dead. Yeah, this is really good. I'm just gonna main this. What the hell? Like, why is this so good all of a sudden? Why does it actually feel good? Up. Dead. Yeah, I love burst rifles so damn much. Where's my teammate singing? I have no idea why my teammate's even singing. Yo, burst rifle is low-key actually goated though. I can't lie. It's really goated. Perfect. Oh my god, why can't I stop my loadout? Yo, how is no, how is that not dead? How is he? Like, how is he not dead? Is he hacking? No, like, oh, he was one. Okay, never mind. I'm just stupid. I thought it was hacking.
Oh yeah, when I'm so like this kid is actually using this.
Bro, what a bomb.
Hunt cutlass.
That bomb though. So weirdo. He's being weird. Alright, so I'm going for the King Kong first. Or revolver spam on me. Bro. King Kong, by the way.
Shut up, loser.
Damn. Okay. I don't know that, but okay. Yeah, that's why I have my mic off all the time. This is why I have my mic off. This is why I don't talk. Because stuff like this happen. Oh my god. Yeah. That server's absolute. Ooh, get me from there. Boing. Yo, burst rifle is actually trash. Burst rifle is low-key carrying me. I can't lie, burst rifle is low-key hard carrying. I'm not gonna hold you.
Look at the AR turning like a loser, bro.
Oh, yeah.
He's one shot.
Alright.
You're so mean, bro.
Yeah, bro, this is being mad annoying, fellas.
Round starting.
Holy, what a bum.
Yeah, shot.
Yeah, counter. That's got counter.
Rematch, you got
using the same loadout.
Rematch, yeah, he see how your teammate left because he's scared.
Well, what?
Match starting.
We're now in the third match, and this match is also heated, because I think these guys might be
Round starting.
either streak savers or people who's crashed out. Oh, damn. Damn.
164.
Damn.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get some damage in.
Okay, just get this guy. I hit him for nothing. He just beat his face. Okay, no way.
Damn.
Gang, how are you hitting me? Like, literally earlier you shot me behind a wall. Tell me how that makes sense, gang.
I'm just good like that. I'm at my cup. I'm not gonna talk to these kids at all.
Round starting.
I'm not talking this match.
You are dead.
Simulator. I hit him 88.
Yeah.
Look at y'all double teaming.
But my teammate was dead. How is that double team if my teammate is dead? It's a one-on-one. It was literally
faced y'all
it was a
before, bro.
one-on-one.
Our trash
What?
Round starting.
It was a one-on-one. What's this kid talking about? Holy crap.
When y'all had like 16 streaks or something, I faced y'all. And y'all were trash talking because my teammate was a rampager. They just double teamed Steve.
Wait, oh my shit, where? Gang, what?
Oh, I hate 117.
Where? Oh my god. My god.
First part amazing team.
So locked in. Oh, how do I just get one tapped? How do I just get one tapped with a D?
Okay, this guy low.
I can't do, but I'm low. And so I can't do much.
Round starting.
Where's a good double team?
I can't
Yeah,
do
rematch,
nothing.
rematch. Rematch then, rematch then, rematch then. Rematch then.
Damn.
No, you're mad that
Oh yeah, y'all are scared. Y'all are scared.
I think it was a low rank, unfair match. We still won.
Hey, I did
Rematch.
nothing.
2.4? Like GG's to you?
Alright, GG's.
Bro, GG's to you, bro.
Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Shrek, real key. I forgot what number match this is, but whatever. Whatever. One dead. Okay. I guess it's on God the best one out of you. It's like honestly the new weapon, the new meta. I'm telling you. God. Go to my teammate. What was he doing? Why are you getting him one? I know, look, Joe count. He has count. That beat me. Alright. There you go. Okay, here is just gonna beam you.
Round
Just-
start.
Oh, he's dead. Alright, nice. 110. 20. Okay, yeah, they both gotta be low by now. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Buy it. It is cracked. Also to that other guy who I shot whose body I shot last match. You shot my body with AK, so I'm just gonna yeah, so that's why guys, it's only fair if I shoot his body back, cause he shot my body, so yeah. Bye guys.